Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Yes, boss. I think everyone gone through this diagram. CSV file. Okay, from CSV file reads the lines. Reads the lines. Okay, using flat file item reader into employee class object. What is this? First, you specify the location. Then, okay. Right, guys. Specify the line mapper to get each line from CSV file. Get each line. Specify the line tokenizer. Specify the line tokenizer to get to get tokens or values from the line based given delimiter 101 Raja 9000 Hyderabad. Coming or not coming? Super. Lastly, specify field set mapper. Okay. Specify field set mapper to convert each line content into one given model class object. So that employee object goes to item processor. Item processor will calculate gross salary and net salary. Okay, based on the given basic salary, if the salary is greater than or equal to 5,000. Super, guys. Then again it will give employee object only. But since the chunk size is 3, okay, list of 3 employee objects will go to JDBC batch item writer. JDBC batch item writer. Okay, you create object for the class, specify data source for database connectivity, prepare insert SQL query having named parameters, and provide data to SQL query named parameter by giving model class object details. Nothing but source provider details. What details, guys? Simply source provider details. Literally, solidly source provider details. Lastly, guys, make insert SQL query. Come on. Okay, guys. Make insert SQL query executing in batch to insert records in DB table. Query 1, query 2, query 3. Insert query 1, insert query 2, insert query 3. Yes, guys. So JDBC batch of queries inserts 3 records each time and 3 records will be inserted. 3 records will be inserted. Okay, guys. So total 7 details will be there, guys. Right, guys? So let's get into the details, guys. While working with the flat file item reader, while working with the named query only, named parameters query, named query one and the same. Named query is different, parameter name. Parameters will have a name. Named parameters are different, boss. Parameters will have a name. While working with flat file item reader, we use the following classes as the supporting classes, guys. First one is what, guys? Default line reader. What reader, guys? Default line reader. Delimited line tokenizer. Bean wrapper field set mapper. Bean wrapper field set mapper, guys. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Default line reader. To read each line from CSV file, having what is this? Key, what is this? Entry key as the delimiter. To write CSV file, guys. What file? CSV file. Having enter key as the line separator. Enter key as line separator. What separator, guys? Line separator. Nice, boss. Next, delimited line tokenizer. To split each line content to values having names based on the given delimiter. This work, guys. This work. For that one, delimited line tokenizer. These are ready-made classes. Default line reader. This is also ready-made classes. Next, bean wrapper field set mapper. Bean wrapper field set mapper. Come on, guys. To map each line tokens to given model class object. To map each line tokens to given model class object. Nothing but here tokens and model class property names must match. What names we are giving to tokens? Model class property names should match. When they match, come on, guys. When they are matched, guys. So whatever line content is there, that will automatically store into what? Okay, boss. Model class object. See, guys, I said line mapper, line tokenizer, field set mapper. This is the class acting as a line reader. This is the class acting as a line tokenizer. This is the class acting as a field set mapper. Understanding my statement, guys? Next, while working with JDBC batch item writer. While working with JDBC batch item writer. Yeah. We use the following classes as the supporting classes. One is data source. Other one is what? Bean property item SQL parameter source provider. Bean property item SQL source provider. Come on, guys. Yeah, data source means to tell target database, guys. Next, bean property item SQL parameter source provider. To provide given Java bean class object, nothing but model class object property values as SQL named parameter values. But one condition is there. Here the named parameter names and model class property names must match. Here the named parameter names and model class property names must and should match, guys. Compulsory should match, guys. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Compulsory should match. Must and should match. Got the clarity, my dear? Come on. Super. Yeah. Shall we start the application development, guys? Okay. Let's open API. What is this? This is our Eclipse IDE, boss. This is our Eclipse IDE. Let's develop one by one. Sir, you have to keep CSV file ready, na? That too CSV file with use details. Array, don't worry, Ra Babu. We have ready-made website providing ready-made CSV files, Ra Babu. Dynamically, they create the CSV files. You know that? We have websites doing that work. What is that, you know? There is a website called Makaro.com. Makaro.com. You want to see that? Let's see, guys. Macaro.com. Here, apps development software. Everything they changed. Google Antenna certification, apps development software. Spell mistake we have done. Oh, Macaro. Oh, this is W25 is coming. Yes. Yes, guys. Yes, we are getting options here or not, guys? We need some mock data to test your application. Macro less this one. Need more data. Macros are Docker image. You can deploy in private cloud also. Super, guys. First one, we will take what? Employee number. What is the type we take, guys? Any type, any type. Any type, any type. Animal common name. Achha, first one, employee number should be what? Employee number should be what? Randomly generated employee identification number. Okay, fine. First name. First name. Okay, first name. Okay, we will take employee name. What is this? Animal name? No. What is this, guys? Car model number. Catch. Array, what is the normal company name? Person name. Array, where is person name? Custom list. Array, drug name, domain name, drug name, dummy name. Is there person name is not there? Animal common name. Okay. Where is? Array, it will generate the domain. Search in search bar. Okay. Advanced. JSON array, regular expression. Select basic. Select basic. Color? No. Binomial. Date and time. Date, boolean. And I want some people names, Babu. I want people names. No people names here. No people names. Person corner. Person corner is where? Where, guys? Select personal. Where I am seeing, boss? Personal. Oh, I think I am not able to. Personal is there. Personal is there. Company name, family name. First name European. First name, I think this is enough. First name, this is enough. Okay. First name. Last name, guys. Employee name. EADD. EMPADD. Employee address. Employee address, personal only. There is something called city name. City name is not there anywhere. City name is not there anywhere. No. Basic city name. City name. Sentences not there. All city name is not there. Array. City name. Location. Is there any location? Yeah. Okay. City name. City name dynamically comes, guys. Next, email. Email addresses only. Email we want to take a no, yeah. No, we want to take basic salary. Basic salary. Yeah, when it comes to basic salary, guys, is there anything like this? Anything like this? Title, university, suffix, no. Nature, health, basic. Okay, I think there is no commerce. Oh, let's take commerce. Let's take commerce. Okay, department, EBN, dollar, stock market, stock sector. Ayo, price values are not coming. Money. Can I take money? Stock market. Money means it will come in a different dollars, it seems. Okay, fine. Let's see. Money, meaning between, between, tell me guys, 10,000 to, no, 1,000 to 1 lakh. 1,000 to 1 lakh. In, what is this, guys? Dollars are, rupees are, euros are. Ayo. Dollars are, rupees are, euros are. I think we'll manage with the dollars only. Fine. No problem. Right, boss. Right. Blank, 0% blank. I think these are sufficient now. No gender. This one. How many rows you want? I want 10,000 rows. Array some data. You want to include header? No. I don't want to include any header, guys. Format, line encoding. Line encoding. Yeah, Windows style, Windows style line. Windows style line. Super, guys. Next, is there any possibility of preview data? Na? Should I say preview data? Rows, fine, that's good. CSV, include header. I don't want header. Preview. Preview is there. But that's nice, guys. But the problem is showing first 200 rows. Fine. Okay, now you have to download it. But the problem is these numbers are not coming properly, boss. These numbers are not coming. Raw format. Raw format, it's coming nicely. But dollar symbol is coming extra. Dollar symbol is coming extra. If a dollar symbol is there, we get the problem, guys. So I don't want dollar symbol. Okay. I don't want dollar symbol. Then what should I do? Let's not make money, guys. Let's not make money. Some numbers I want to get. A credit card numbers. No, it's a big number. Okay. Array, download and deleting $1,000 rows is very difficult, Babu. I want numbers. I want numbers. Can you help me? I want numbers to come. Some numbers to come. Numbers to come. Array, numbers are not there. Numbers to come. Numbers to come. There are where? Sequence is there. Where, guys? Row numbers. Row numbers, fine. Top right. Numbers, numbers, numbers. This one, car model year, no. Car model year, numbers are not there, Babu. Numbers are not there. Okay. In the middle, I will get sequence. In the middle, I will get sequence. Where guys? GUID is different. GUID is different. Commerce. Currency. Scroll down. Stock name. Below sequence is there. All. Below sequence is there. Yes, sir. Okay. Just a minute. I believe you people. Yes, 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 yes. N, P, yes. Sequence. Okay. Sequence has come, guys. Tell me. Start with 1,000 and step by one. Step by one. Achha, start with 1,000 means problem is there. Okay, 10,000, step by 1, step by 100. Okay, step by 100, that's fine. Okay, basic salary is ready, boss. Done. So this employee number also, somewhere row is there. Check it out. Somewhere row number is there. Row number. Or you can say sequence number itself, no problem. But somewhere I found row number also. Yes, R. T not there. Row number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I'm happy with that 1, 2, 3, 4, guys. That's fine. Sequence fine. Okay. Uh 10,000. Okay, increment by 500 each time. Increment by 500 each time. Then a big number will come. Right, boss? Line encoding, this one. Where is this? Preview. Preview, that's fine. It's looking good. Raw data. Yeah, it's sounding good now, boss. It's sounding good. Come on. Super. Close it. Then what is this? Download data. Download data. Okay. The maximum download size for me is 1,000 rows. Sign in. Sign in, upgrade the download to more rows. Okay, I have taken 10,000. Okay. How many rows I have taken, guys, here? How many rows I have taken, guys? 10,000 I have taken. Okay, I'll take 1,000 only. Actually, you have to sign in. You have to pay some amount, it seems, guys. Some amount you have to pay this. Fine, no problem. Download data. Mark data.csv. What data.csv, guys? Mark data.csv has come. Right, boss. Tell me here. Employees info.csv. Employee info.csv. Right, boss? We are ready with the file. So now let's concentrate on application development first. Yes, guys. Spring Batch, Arkil driver, Lambda API, JDBC API. So these are the jars that I should add, boss. I think you got the clarity. Should I give procedure? I think I don't want to cheat you people by seeing what. This is a very difficult kind of thing. I hope you can prepare on your own. I hope you can prepare on your own. Come on. File close all, guys. Yeah, done. file new project, Spring starter project Spring starter project, guys. Yeah, what is this? Boot batch pros 02, boot batch pros 02. Tell me, guys. CSV2 DB batch pros. Say next. Okay, 02 is already there. We'll make it 03. Right, guys? Tell me, Spring data JPA don't take because we will use that one later. Okay, Spring batch. Lamba KPA. Arkil driver. Next, JDBC API. Spring JDBC, guys. Spring JDBC API. These are the jars that we have to add. Say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. Everything is done now, boss. Next. SRC main Java, SRC main resources. SRC main Java, SRC main resources. Okay. Package here. com.nt. Yeah, we have to create the packages now. Okay. Reader ready-made, writer ready-made. Only processor is user defined. All right. Then I will take one config package, guys. Nice. I will take one listener package, LISTNER. Listener package. Then I'll take one runner package, com.nt.runner. Okay, no need of tokenizer, Babu. All these things will come in configuration class dynamically. They are ready-made classes, na? Tychnozer, readers, line readers, all these are ready-made classes, right? Super. Done, my dear. Okay. Yeah, now go to application.properties, guys. Data source configuration. Yeah, because we have to be ready with writing purpose now, boss. Spring dot data source dot driver hyphen class hyphen name. Arkil dot JDBC dot driver dot Arkil driver. Next, Spring dot data source dot URL. Tell me, JDBC colon Arkil colon thin colon @localhost colon x. Spring dot data source dot username system. Spring dot data source dot password manage. Data source dot password is managed. Okay. Next, Spring Batch configurations. Spring dot batch dot JDBC dot initialize schema always. Spring dot batch dot, come on. Spring dot batch dot, tell me. JDBC dot enable boss. Not JDBC dot, enabled. Job dot enabled false. Until run method is called, batch processing should not take place. Okay, guys. All these steps are there, clearly there. Don't worry. Add data source Spring Bean configuration in application.properties file. Super, guys. Next, make sure that DB table is created in what? Arkill DB table. Make sure that we are not using data JPI here. Come on. We are not using memory database. Right now, Arkill we are using na. We are using in Arkill, those tables will be created. Kishore Kumar. Now, repository related tables will be created here. We are not using Spring Data JDBC also. We are using Spring JDBC. That means Spring JDBC is there, not that. So that is not capable of creating tables dynamically. So we should think about creating tables dynamically or not. Come on. We should think about creating DB tables dynamically. Come on, guys. Are you with me? Okay. So now let's take gross salary and net salary also. I would like to take, guys. Gross salary and net salary also I would like to take. So better to take what, guys? SQL developer. Where is SQL developer? SQL developer. Slowly we will develop. Don't worry. SQL developer, guys. We are not using Spring Data module at all. We are using plain JDBC only. We are purely, literally using plain JDBC only. Clear, guys? Guys, give me 2 minutes. Okay, let's create the table, guys. Connection 1, guys. System manager, guys. Done. Connection 1, guys. System manager. Tables, boss. New table. Batch underscore employee. Oh, already there, huh? Fine. Batch underscore employee one. Otherwise, we will, if readily there, we will use that only. Okay. Batch underscore employee. Okay. In front of you, I will delete everything. Okay. Here already lot of data might be there. Don't worry. Okay, we'll empty the table and we'll keep the table ready. Done. Now table is empty now, boss. Done. Okay, we are ready with the table, guys. Now develop the model class employee. Array, see, CSV file is having 4 properties, but in the table I want to store 6 values, right? In the table I would like to store what? 6 values. So that's why I would like to take what? Gross salary and net salary. Sir, why are you taking salary as a integer? Array, if you look at the CSV file, what we got, my dear, everything is there as integer. So integer, any percentage, okay. You can take float also. It's not like that you cannot take float. You can take float also. If you are interested, you can change this to float model, guys. Let's change this one to float. I don't mind. Let's change this one to float. Done. Let's change this one to float, guys. Yeah, that's better. Done. Okay, let me give that one also to you people. Float sizes also, big sizes are taken so that any dynamic data should not be a problem. Yes, come here, say paste. Done. Done, boss. Right, boss. Okay, we will change these properties according to our requirement. Right. Yeah, let's take the model class now. Oh, model package is still not added. Let me add the package called model. It's not a record, guys. New package. com.nt.model was nice. Right click, new class. Here is my employee. Here is my employee. Private integer employee number. Private string emp name. Next, private string emp name. Private string emp address. Private string emp address. Private float. Private float. What is that, guys? Basic salary. I'm taking basic salary as the property. Our salary also can be taken, not a issue. We'll take salary only. Next, in the table, what we have taken, guys? Salary. Next one, private float gross salary. Next, private float net salary. Are you getting my point there or not? At the rate data. What is that, guys? At the rate data. At the rate data, boss. Employee number, employee name, employee address, salary, gross salary, net salary. Are you comfortable, my dear? Got the clarity, my dear, everyone? Super. Okay. Getter, setter method, everything is ready. Okay, boss. Next. Okay. Employee class only. Here properties are not there in our control. Let's put these properties in control. Nice. @rate data, employee number, employee name, employee address, salary, gross salary, and net salary. Cool, guys. Next, what is the next story, guys? What is the next story? Let me develop the listener. Simple things we try to develop first. Let me develop the, need not, better to match, guys. Better to match. But actually, you need not to match them. Better to match with named parameters in the query. When you take named parameters in the query, those things should match. Okay. Listener, boss. Like yesterday's listener only. Job monitoring listener. Job monitoring listener, guys. What listener? Job monitoring listener. What is the interface? Job execution listener. Save finish. Job monitoring listener. This is mandatory. Listener is mandatory. Kishore Kumar, attend classes regularly, please. Don't irritate me. Did you attend POC class? Without listener, can you create a job object? First attend classes regularly, practice once in a while. Okay. Fine, boss. Right. How to make it as a spring bean, guys? @rate component. Okay. @rate component. Here is what, guys? Okay. Sysout. Job status. Job status. Job execution dot get status. Job execution dot. Job execution dot. Oh, it's not coming. Why so? Any spell mistake I have done? No. Job execution dot. No methods are coming. Why so? Job status. Oh, J small letter. Fine. Got it. Tell me. Get status. Right, boss. Job start time. Job execution dot get start time. Job execution dot get start time. Copy this, paste it. Job status, job start time, get start time, guys. Next one, sysout. Job completion status. Job exit status, guys. Job execution dot what is this? Get exit status. What status, guys? Job exit status. Here not start time, guys. Here end time. Job end time. Here get end time. Yeah, this is my job monitoring listener, guys. Okay. Super. We are ready with listener also. Fine, boss. Okay. Now let's get into the main part. What is that? Batch config class, guys. Batch config class. Batch config. How does it make configuration class, guys? configuration. How to enable batch processing on it? Enable batch processing. Array, are you there? What are the objects that I can inject through auto wiring? Job builder factory. Job builder factory. JB factory. Auto wire. Next, step builder factory. Step builder factory. SB factory. Auto wire. Nice, guys. Next, private job monitoring listener. Job monitoring listener. Come on. Okay. Narasimha Prasad, first attend classes regularly. Please now, boss. Today you are asking sincerely, these objects are there to create step and job objects. Either I should hit my head or I should hit your head, muddy fellow. From last 3, 4, 5 days, what we are discussing, these factory objects are there to create job objects and step objects respectively or not. What's the new thing you invented, Ram? Muddy fellow. Attend classes regularly. Listener. All of a sudden, people become scientists by telling the same old statement which is discussed 2 days before, 3 days before. Okay, guys. Right. Okay. Job monitoring listener, guys. Job monitoring listener. Okay. And a processor is also user defined. Let's develop the processor. Let us develop the processor. Tell me, guys. Employee item processor. Employee item processor. Item processor. Item processor. Okay. Here is my employee. Output also employee. Input is employee. Output is also employee. Add unimplemented methods. Simply add unimplemented methods. Here is my component. Here is my component, guys. Nice. Here is my component. Return type is employee. Parameter is also employee. Tell me, guys. If employee dot get salary greater than or equal to 10,000. If employee dot get salary greater than or equal to 10,000. 10,000 means everyone is 10,000. We started with 10,000. Let's take 15,000. Whatever it is. Then what is this? EMP dot set gross salary. EMP dot get salary plus EMP dot get salary into 0.3f. EMP dot net salary. What is this? Net salary. Okay. EMP dot get gross salary minus EMP dot gross salary into okay 1.0 F. 1.0 F, guys. Okay, guys. 1.0 F means what? 1%, na? Acha, reverse meaning. 0.1% or 2%. 20% we detected, guys. So we are ready with this one. Else, if that is not satisfied, return. Return null means that item will not be taken for process. Return null means that item will not be taken for process. Okay, yes. Then what this? Return EMP. Return EMP. Okay. Now, if this is not written, this will execute. That is executed means that item will not be taken for process. We are ready with processor or not, guys? Super boss. Okay. Now, tell me. Private employee item processor. Employee item processor @auto. @auto. Fine, guys. So now let me prepare the reader, boss. But to prepare the reader, Ranjan not processing and not storing in DB also. A processor will give processed item, Rabam. Okay, not processed means not stored in the DB. Definitely, no doubt. Okay, first of all, let me keep this file, guys. We downloaded one file, na? Copy this. You can place in resources folder directly because it's also class path. It is also class path, right? Or two the CSVs have come. Well, let's put only one CSV. Employees info.cs. Done. Employee item processor, guys. @component @override. That's it, guys. Batch config.java. Let's see. Public, tell me. Flat file item reader. Flat file item reader employee. What is this? Create reader. I will give same method in 3 versions, guys. Please focus. I will give same thing in 3 versions by using what? Anonymous subclasses and using its instance blocks. Okay, first one, create object for flat file item reader. Flat file item reader. Tell me, flat file item reader employee. Tell me, reader is equal to new flat file item reader of. Cool. Yeah. Next, specify the source. Source of CSV file. Reader dot. Reader dot. Come on, guys. Set resource. New class path resource of employees info dot CSV. And it automatically search in the class path, guys. Nice, guys. Specify the source of CSV file. We mentioned it, guys. Now tell me. Create a line reader object. Create a line reader object. Array, what is the class name of line reader, guys? Default line reader, right? Default line reader. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Default line reader or line mapper, whatever it is. Okay. Yes, you try to do that. Line reader or line mapper object. Default line mapper. Default line mapper. Employee line mapper is equal to new default. Okay. You said long back ago file system resource to specify file location. Narsimha Prasad, in which dunya you are there? I also introduced a class path resource. Narsimha Prasad, if you are a different batch student, why are you wasting my time, Babu? Everyone look at the message of Narsimha Prasad. You said long back ago file system resource specifying the file location. I also introduced a class path resource, Babu. And I said class path resource is the best. Narsim Prasad, can you tell me when spring batch is started in this batch? Narsim Prasad, on which date spring batch is started? No, this current module spring batch is started. On which date current module spring batch is started? Coming regularly? Then why are you asking this kind of question? File system resource is bad. Class path resource is good. Long back I said that statement. Tell me. Default line mapper. Default line mapper. Create line tokenizer object. Create line tokenizer object, specifying that what is the tokenizer. Delimited line tokenizer done. Line tokenizer dot set delimiter comma, and we have to give names to those tokens, guys. We have to give names to those tokens. Okay, open the CSV file. In which order tokens have come? Check it out. In which order tokens have come? Check it out. Open with the text editor. Okay. Lastly, salary is there. In the same order, you have to give the tokens. In the same order, you have to give the tokens. Delimited. All these are ready-made classes, Ra Babu. Delimited line tokenizer. Tokenizer is equal to new delimited line tokenizer. Delimited line tokenizer. Come on, guys. Okay. Delimited line tokenizer. Cool. Tokenizer dot set delimiter, comma. Tokenizer dot set names. What is the order, guys? What are the names? I'm trying to give which names? Employee number. Other names also you can give, but try to give same name that are there in the model class, so that field set mapping becomes easy, guys. EMP name, guys. Okay, next EMP ADD, guys. ADDRS or ADD? ADDRS. Next, lastly, salary. Net salary, a muddy fellow. Narsham Prasad. Okay, in the input CSV file, net salary is there. In the CSV file, net salary is there. Why are you irritating, man? Net salary. Without salary base, gross salary, you will get net salary. Great fellow, boss. Okay. Tell me lastly what? Salary. What is that? Salary. Yeah, parameters are done. Okay, now the challenge, each line, we have to set all these things too. What's the challenge now? We have to set, for the line mapper, we have to set both the things. But first of all, let me create the field set mapper. Create field set mapper. Create field set mapper, guys. Come on. Create field set mapper to map each line content to, okay, model class object properties. Next, bean wrapper. Bean wrapper field set mapper employee is equal to, what is this? Field set mapper is equal to bean wrapper field set mapper of. Bean wrapper field set mapper employee is equal to field set mapper field set mapper. Are you there with me, guys? Come on. Right, boss. After that, what next? Field set mapper dot set target type employee dot class. Yeah. Anyhow, these field names and property names are matching now, boss. All. Okay, now listen, guys. All these things we should set to line mapper, guys. Add line tokenizer. Line tokenizer, comma, field set mapper to, field set mapper to, what, guys? Field set mapper to line mapper. All these are required for line mapper, Babu. All these are required for line mapper. Yeah, tell me. Line mapper dot set line tokenizer. Line mapper dot set field set mapper. Done. Field set mapper set number. Add line mapper to. Add line mapper to, what is that? Flat file item reader. Flat file item reader. Yes, boss. Reader dot. Tell me, guys, what is that? Reader dot. Okay, reader dot set line mapper. Set line mapper. Okay, return reader. This is a detailed coding, guys. This is a detailed coding. Okay, let's take one by one, class by class, guys. Default line mapper you take. Default line mapper docs. Okay. See what it says, guys. Two-phase line mapper implementation consisting tokenization of line into field set. Listen. Tokenization of line into field set. It will divide the line content into tokens. It will set to field set. Field set means what? Array regular putting into employee object by followed by mapping to item. The fine-grained control of exception is needed. The line mapper interface should be implemented directly. Okay, default line mapper. Got it, guys? Okay, next. Default line tokenizer. Default line tokenizer. Check it out. A line tokenizer implementation that splits input string on configurable delimiter, nothing but comma. If you pass comma, comma. This implementation also supports the usage of escape character to escape delimiter and line endings. Okay, if you want to escape some commas in some special situation, you can use it. Next, this is what? This is our field set, field wrapper, field set mapper, guys. Paste, guys, docs. Field set mapper implementation based on bean property paths. Field set to be mapped to should have field name metadata corresponding to bean property, an instance of desired type. The instance is created and initialized either by referring to prototype object by bean name and all this stuff. Okay, guys. Quantity will be mapped to quantity, ISN. So case sensitivity will not be there, guys. While mapping, this fuzziness will not be there. It automatically do the mapping, boss. Quantity can be taken as this, capital, lowercase, underscore. All these things will be mapped automatically. All these things will be mapped automatically. Did you realize this? But this one, everything in detailed. But we can simplify this code, guys. Listen. See, guys, all these are at the end required to line mapper na. All these things are at the end required to line mapper na. In line mapper instance block, in line mapper subclass instance block, we can create this tokenizer object, mapper object, and we can give to those things. That means same code can be developed with the support of what, guys? Same code can be developed with the support of what? Anonymous subclasses and instance block. That is bit irritating and a new thing for you that I will take up in tomorrow's session. So I will give 3 varieties of developing readers and writers. 3 ways. There are 3 ways. And the last way is very easy, guys. But that's why first I am giving detailed one. Then we will we'll work with what? Anonymous subclasses concept. Lastly, we deal with method chaining. Method chaining. Dhananjaya, for 10K record, 10K objects will be created. But not at a time. Not at a time. Okay, because chunk size is what? 10. Okay, each time 10 objects. Each time 10 objects. Got it? Thank you. Have a nice time. When we meet tomorrow, we'll complete the application.